Psych 101 presents psychological facts about dreams. During REM sleep, your muscles become immobilized, preventing you from acting out your dreams. The most common type of dream is a picture, with the majority of dreams consisting primarily of visual images with little sound or movement. Only about 12% of people dream in color. The rest sleep in black and white. Bizarre is normal because part of the brain responsible for making sense of things shut down while we sleep. Many of our dreams are strange. Our dreams are influenced by our daily lives. The majority of our dreams are connected to thoughts or events from the previous day or two. According to Stanford University, you probably only dream of people you've met in person or seen on TV. Low stress equals good dreams. If you're not stressed and satisfied in your actual life, you're more likely to experience nice dreams. Women can experience wet dreams too. Wet dreams aren't exclusive for men. When having a sexual dream, women can discharge vaginal fluids as a result of excitement and even orgasm. Sex dreams aren't that prevalent. According to study, about 4% of men and women's dreams are about sex. The majority of sex-related dreams revolve around intercourse. Sleeping position is important. If you sleep face down, you're more likely to dream about sex. Sleeping face down is linked to a variety of dreams, including being locked down, using hand tools, being naked, being suffocated and unable to breathe, and swimming. Men are twice as likely as women to fantasize about having sex with many partners. In comparison to men, women are twice as likely to have sex dreams about public individuals. Sleep sex, also known as sexomnia, is a sleep disorder similar to sleepwalking in which a person participates in sexual activities such as masturbation or intercourse while sleeping. If you have sex with a well-known person in your dream, it indicates that you desire to be like them. Women are more likely than men to have frightening dreams. During their adolescent and adult years, women suffer more nightmares than men. Dreams reflect your emotions. For example, if you're suffering from post-traumatic symptoms, guilt, or shame over a loved one's death, you're more likely to have unfavorable dreams about them. Eating late isn't beneficial. Eating before bed stimulates your metabolism, telling your brain to be more active, which increases the likelihood of nightmares. Everyone sees things, including blind persons who see images in their dreams. Your dog has dreams too. Everyone, including pets, has dreams. We are forgetful. 95 to 99% of our dreams are forgotten. Though there isn't enough data to back it up, some people believe dreams can predict the future. We focus on the bad. Dreams about negative are more common than dreams about positive. You might be able to control your dreams. Using lucid dreaming techniques, you might be able to learn to control your dreams. Hypnic jerks are intense, unexpected jolts or the sensation of falling that occur just as you're going to sleep. This could result in falling sensations. Hypnic jerks are one of the most prevalent dream motifs, and falling is one of them. Researchers don't know why humans dream or what purpose it serves, if any, despite the fact that they've been attempting to figure out since the beginning of time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.